God, how are you?
The hell was that thing?
I saw two of them, I think.
Shit. Who was that? Garcia?
I don't know. I couldn't tell.
There's still guys out there. The hell is this thing?
The hell can move this fast?
Call Sanders on the radio.
Sanders, come in. This is Kopecki.
I think they hit it.
They hit it 1,000 times. Bullets aren't stopping this thing. Sanders, this is Kopecki. Come in. Holy shit.
Let it. I get a line on putting out both of its eyes.
Does it even have eyes?
I haven't heard his shots in a while.
We're the last ones.
Then it's up to us. What the fuck are you doing?
Lower the gun.
What?
Drop it.
Are you crazy? Hey, don't get all loopy on me now. When that thing comes out of the trees, I don't want to be the only one firing. You want to getting over the hill? You want to stroll down Fremont Street?
No.
Then pick up your weapon.
No.
If this thing rips me apart, so be it. I'll be firing until I'm halfway down his goddamn throat.
They tried that.
What?
They tried shooting it, and the result is everyone is dead. Come on, man, we need a different strategy.
We don't have time for this shit. Pick up your weapon.
Come on, man, the only thing we haven't tried is not being a threat.
We're not trying to make friends with the fucking thing.
We're only angry like that, dude. Don't you get it?
We're making our stand right here. When that thing comes out of the trees, you unleash fucking hell on it, you hear me?
Look, we're dead either way. At least this way we try something different.
Come on, man. Snap out of it.
No. Every time you aim at it, you're a threat to it. You're dead like that, man. You're gonna get us killed. Drop the weapon. Drop the weapon. All right, good. Now, what we gotta do is figure out what the hell we're gonna do once it gets over there.
You're gonna get us killed!
What? God, how are you? Anyone, come in. Can you hear me?